This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Quantum 31LF is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features Slideout, LP detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, microwave, stovetop burner, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Quantum 31LF is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.